Hello everybody, welcome to my creative time with Emma. I am hopping on here to give you a quick tutorial of our brand new from our latest 144th edition Christmas in July release, okay? This is our brand new Sleigh Die. Okay, it comes with there's just 3 pieces, but these are grouped together, okay? It comes with the bottom portion that you could layer on your actual sleigh. You don't have to layer it if you want to keep the stitching, if you want the whole stitching on everything. And then there's this layer right here, will go here. And then you have your present. So you have this will layer there, that will layer on top, and this will layer right on top. And I'm going to go ahead and we're going to put one together really quickly so you could see it, okay? So here goes all my pieces. I'm going to show you one I put together already. I kind of backed this one with some foam to make it a little bit thicker. You can make a tag out of this from our stamps here. You could go ahead and like attach a little wishing you a joyous holiday. And then on the back, you could go ahead and put your to and from, however you want, and use this as a tag, a super duper cute tag. You know what I'm saying? Now, I'm not doing project ideas for you here. This tutorial videos are only basically showing you how to put the item together. If you want to see examples of projects, definitely visit my store, because this video will be in my store. So go to the link I will have. If you're watching on YouTube, I'll have a link directly to this product in my store. And then you can see all the samples of what the team has created, okay? So super simple. On here, there's like a little bit of, there's like small little stitched prim stars here in the corner. Yeah, and it's a really easy die to put together. So let's go ahead and do it. What I did was I cut the bottom out in silver and this portion in silver as well. So let's go ahead and just throw this together really quickly here. And I'm just using some liquid glue for this. Okie dokie. Let's go ahead and just line this up here. Now there is no stitching on this guy here, okay, on the layer portion, only because I kind of wanted it to look smooth. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully that makes, like, I gotta put more glue on here. I think I think it's okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of hold this down for a quick second. I just kind of wanted it to look clean. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully that makes sense. All right. So what I did, I went ahead and I just kind of squeezed it together. Hold on, I think I need to, there you go. Just kind of squeezing the sides just for it to like match up there. Okay, just like so. Now this bottom sleigh part is not gonna like match up super duper perfect, okay? You may have like a little bit of outline that you can see from the bottom, but it's not too bad. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just put the adhesive on here real quick and just add it to the top. You could even just leave it like this, to be honest with you. But for the sake of the video, I'll just go ahead and just put it on here just really fast so you could see. Let's go ahead and get this on here. So I'm holding Bruiser right now because he was being a baby. Oh, baby boy. Okay, so let's go ahead. I put that too low. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to hold this down just a tad here. Just like so. Super easy, okay? And that's it for that. Like I said, you could back it with some foam. You could back it with my card. This is from my paper pad, which is the Christmas Ginger Kisses 2. It's a bigger version. It's my original one was a 6x6 paper pad. This one's a 6x8.5 size, bigger size. Okay, it's bigger and it's revised. It's a little bit different. Okay, so there goes that right there. And then we have the little presents. Okay, this is the little present. So let's go ahead and put this together. And this paper is also from my paper pad. Okay. So let's go ahead. And then this is the back portion. This happens to be the back of this. So that's why if you want to use this, you want to put this in white. If you want, cut it out again in white so you could put to and from. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and put this like so. Okay, there goes that portion. And then, oops, let me move this over there. Let's put this portion, this goes straight down the center of your little gift. Okay, hopefully it's in the middle. I did it crooked. There we go. Okay, there we go. And then this one here, our little bow is made to go. Let me show you it on this one here. It's made to go to sit on the top. So basically, the only place you want to put your adhesive are on the little tails, not this portion, okay? And you'll see what I'm talking about in a moment. So let's go ahead and just put the little adhesive on here. Only on that part, not on the top portion, okay? Because like I said, this was designed to actually sit at the top. Just like so, okay? And that's super cute. Okay. And then that's it. That is your little sleigh die, okay? And like I said, you will see a ton of ideas from my team. You'll see them all in the store, okay? So again, just keep in mind, this little bottom portion is, it's not gonna like line up perfectly with it, okay? As you can see, it's a little off, but you can't really tell too much. And let me look on here. You can't really tell too much on here as well, just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But if, like I said, if you don't want to use that piece, definitely leave it off, and you could still see the stitching that's on the on your original die without adding these two pieces, okay? So that's it, my friends. Thank you so very much for tuning in. Have a fabulous day. Oh, before I forget, this one that I showed you that you could use these sentiments with it, this one's called Special Delivery. This was also included with the release, but sold separately by itself, okay? So that's it, everybody. Thanks again for tuning in. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you all back here soon. Bye-bye.